Hello guys, welcome to another video. In today's tutorial, we're going to introduce you a super awesome project, which is called ECC Tools. ECC stands for Everything Claude Code. So this project has already got 243k stars. So this is almost at the Hermes and also the DeepSeek harness level. So, which means people really like this project. So what this project does, it is an agent harness performance optimization system. So it has skills, instincts, memory security, and research-first development for Claude Code. So it also supports Codex, Opencode, and Cursor and beyond. And if you look at the README section, there is a specific summary section tells you what the ECC does and what it offers. So you can see there's 68 agents, just 86 skills, and there's 94 commands and hooks and memory, and also the rules agent shield. And they also provided a trend while this project started. So you can see that started earlier this year, and it went to 40,000 stars in just 3 weeks. In this video, specifically, we're going to talk about a very cool feature that's in the ECC. So we're not going to talk about all the skills. There's too many of them. And you can see there's too many skills, too many agents. There's a specific feature that's very useful, that's very popular, which we're going to talk about. And that feature is called the canvas. So the canvas UI, you can see there's a specific section that's talking about this feature. So it's called plan canvas. We do plans by pointing, not retyping. So why this feature is super useful is that you can actually generate a coding plan or product plan, which allows agent to build the product. So usually, if you start a coding agent, you can ask the agent to plan it. But while you want to change it, you have to talk to the agent again. The context is the entire context, and it's very hard to the agent to actually figure out what you're asking. And sometimes it's just asking back and forth to understand what the actual plan will be. In this ECC Tools, the plan canvas is going to solve that problem in a really efficient way. So if you just look at the video that's provided here, so basically what the canvas can do is that you can actually pointing to a specific part of the design document. So it's very cool. So you can actually point into a specific part of the design document and say, please fix this or please update it. So we're going to show you guys later how this works in a real demo. But as you can see from the demo they put in here, so it's very useful that you can just point to a specific part of the canvas and tell the agent to fix that. And the agent will fix it and refresh the canvas so you can have an updated plan. The best part is that the plan is a markdown file. So you can directly copy and paste the plan to your coding agent to start the project. So you do not have to convert to any format. So they loaded everything as a markdown, and you edit the markdown by just talking to it. So very, very cool. And so let's go to the installation step. So if you go to the Visual Studio, so you can just install it, or you can go to a terminal to install it. So you can just do a plugin marketplace, add the ECC repo, and do a plugin install the ECC at ECC. That's it. So they will be installed in the Claude Code plugins. If you use Codex, a different folder, but we're going to only demo on Claude Code. So then you can start to ask the ECC and plan a project. For example, we're going to say, okay, add a health check, endpoint, and get health. That returns status okay and a simple unit test. So let's just try it. So this will actually create a markdown file, which is a design documentation to create this project. So let's hit enter and see how this works. So you can see it will start generating the design document. And because we're actually in this folder, so which is called a play folder. So it will generate a plan file inside a .clone folder inside plans. So you can see, please save the plan. So then it will ask for permissions. Then you can say yes. And you can see the plan is created. So that's where the file is located. It's in the .clone and plans. So if you open it, so what it will do is create this design documentation that you can refer to once you open the canvas. So to open the canvas, you can do it in two ways. So first way is to use the Claude skill. So it's ECC/plan -canvas. So this will actually start the canvas. It will load all the different design documentation in the folder that we just showed. So, or you can just start with the node and use the plan.canvas.js. That's how you do it in Claude Code. There's other ways to do it, such as you can actually install the ECC universal. So this will actually install the ECC plan canvas as a binary. So, but we're not gonna demo that. In this video, we're gonna show you directly inside the Claude Code. So in Claude Code, let's just say, open the plan canvas. You can see there's a skill is loading up, and you can see that's gonna spin up the design document, which you just created. So you can see, you can say, yes, don't ask for that, but I think it will switch to a JS file because the binary doesn't exist. So you can see that actually it's gonna switch to the plan canvas.js. Let's say yes. Okay, and you can say yes. So you can see the port has been spin up, and then you can start to load this UI for Canvas. So let's just refresh the UI. So you can see that UI is loaded. So you can see the document is loaded. So this is the documentation that we just generated. You can see that is loaded into the UI very nicely. So you can see, you can actually point to the end part of the documentation and ask the ECC to update the design document. For example, we want to update this testing. So phase 2 testing, then we can just ask it. So split phase 2 into the 2A, 2B and added email rate limit risk, please recheck. So if you copy and paste this into, for example, into this testing, right? And then you can just click on it. You can see there's a pop-up and you can paste the suggestions to this pop-up, and then you can hit Q. So it will start updating this section, right? So you can do it. You can see the phase 2 testing is started getting updated. So you can say, okay, this probably, there's a backend process that's going to also read it. All right, can send to agent. So you can see the markdown file has already been updated as a 2A and 2B. So you can see this is saying that it's already been completed. Please review this. All right. So you can see that how this works. And so this is how we actually use the ECC Canvas UI to update a design document. So in this case, you can just copy and paste the entire document after you finish updating and let the agent to work on it. So I think this is probably a really nice way to build a design documentation for the product architecture, and especially when you end this to the agent. So that's it. So hopefully this is helpful. And if you do like this video, please subscribe, like, or comment if you have any questions. Thank you so much for supporting the channel, and see you in the next one.